Hey, it's Brittany Inns, your Houston Realtor. So we are out here in Humble, Texas today, taking a look at a new construction community called Balmoral. And we're looking at Castlerock's 2,800 square foot plan in this newer section here. And I will tell you, it's cold in Houston, colder in Houston. But this plan is super hot. Like it's really a functional plan. 2,800 square feet gets you a game room on the second floor, a multi-generational space on the second floor, could be a mother-in-law suite. You get an office, just lots of space. On the first floor, you get an open to below plan. There's a lot going on with this plan, and I enjoy Castlerock as a builder, and they take care of their customers, and that's one of the main points to a really good builder. So I also enjoy features that Castlerock offers that are a little bit better than some builders' standard features. They include a tankless water heater and upgraded appliances. This is part of the Cobalt series, so there's kind of just lots of room to add things, to make it your own and to customize, and I love that about Castlerock. Here in Humble, what people really like about Humble is just nature, trees. We're on the north side of Houston. You still feel like you get that sense of comfort with being in nature, but you also are close proximity to the major freeways around here, so commuting is easier too. So if you need anything as far as this plan goes, if you have any questions about it, I'm happy to answer any questions. I'm a realtor in our Houston area, and I would love to represent you in your next transaction, or if you're moving here, to be a guide and a resource for you coming down here to Houston. So reach out. My contact information will be below. So if you're ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, we're looking at the Concho plan. It's a lovely 2-story open to below plan, 2,817 square feet, 4 beds, 3.5 baths. You do have a study, but there is the option to turn the study into a 5th bedroom if you need it. And of course, the open to below plan just makes those ceilings sky high and really opens up the living room and kitchen area. The elevations for Castlerock are very modern. I really like them a lot. You have the stone and brick combination here, which is nice. Enjoy.